To tell us more about GMA's latest offering, ang Stories from the Heart, Loving Miss Bridget, maki-heart-to-heart talk ta sa usa sa mga cast ni Ini. Let's all welcome Kapuso actor Adrian Alandi. Mayong buntag, Adrian, at welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Hello, good morning. Mayong buntag sa imong tanan. Good morning sa inyo lahat.
Adrian, kumusta ka na? And of course, kumusta na si Mrs. Alandi?
Si Giselle. Yeah, she's fine. Medyo nalungkot siya nung, syempre, 1 month akong, more than a month, I think. I was out for doing Stories from the Heart, yung Loving Miss Bridget. So ngayon, she's busy with shooting and editing her own.
Kayo ba, Adrian, how do you usually end your night to make your mornings brighter and better and happier?
For the past few months, I sleep around 8:30 sometimes, the earliest, because I wake up around 3 or 4 in the morning. So, I end my day, well, usually, when I watch some YouTube videos or when I watch movies, dun, bigla na lang ako nakaka-sleep. Pero just keep my thoughts positive para pagising mo positive din.
And to make our morning more exciting pa, let's play a game called My Firsts. So may mga itatanong lang ako sa iyo and you will answer kung ano yung mga firsts mo. Yes. Ito, first one. First na hinahanap mo.
Easy
Oo,
muna.
very easy lang ito. Eto, Adrian, we'd like to know. Ano yung first na hinahanap mo sa umaga?
First thing that the real unang hinahanap ko talaga sa umaga, of course, yung wife ko kung katabi ko, pero yung mga dogs, because I always feed them very early in the morning when I wake up.
Totoo yan, same thing. Same thing I do every morning as well.
Talaga yun. Hinahanap ko kung nasan sila kasi they greet you They really greet you.
Totoo.
Parang lively in the morning. So I always look for them kasi sila yung parang energy ko sa morning.
Yes. This time naman, we're all interested to know yung first date nyo ni Mrs.
Oh my, our first date. Well, technically, nung naging kami sa Palawan, and then we had lunch there. So, first date was in Palawan.
Wow.
But our first real date in Manila, ito ba nung kami na? Or nung first date ng ligawan?
Parang ligawan. Oo, ligawan.
Okay. First date was a movie in Green Hills, and then we ate in a pizza store. Yeah, I love pizza.
Wow. That's cute. Thank you, Adrian. Ha? Oo nga. Thank you, Adrian.
It was 1997, I think 97, 98.
Wow, galing. Thank you, Adrian, for answering those questions. This time naman, pag-usapan natin itong latest GMA teleserye mo, ang Stories from the Heart, Loving Miss Bridget. Ano yung karakter mo dito sa pagmamahalan nila Bridget and ni Marcos?
My character there, I played the role of Beauty's co-teacher, Bridget. She is played by Beauty. I played the role of Luther. So it's may lihim siya na gusto kay Bridget, and may pagka-geek yung character niya. May pagka sort of like he's parang weird in a sense. Na ganun. So panoorin nila kung paano ko hindi naman sisirain yung relationship nila ni Kelvin sa movie, pero sa series, kung paano ko guguluhin yung dynamics nilang dalawa.
Ano naman yung opinion mo, Adrian, dito sa pagmamahala ni na Bridget na isang guidance counselor at si Marcos naman na isang estudyante?
Nakaka-relate ako dahil I'm 13, 14 years senior sa wife ko So Di ba? Ang layo ng gap namin.
Hindi
So,
halata.
kung hindi ko sasabihin, hindi halata.
True.
So,
Oo.
I think if the love is real, if the love is true, then you know you should. We're not living yesterday. We're living in a modern world. So I'm not saying, of course, yung some would say that student-teacher relationship are wrong. It is wrong in a sense, but ano they're of age. Hindi na sila yung high school or ano. Hindi. Tinakal namin dito yung medyo medyo older na and I think may papakita namin dito na yung kung paano yung totoong pagmamahalan nilang dalawa.
At ngayon pa lang, excited na kami dito sa bago mong project, ang Stories from the Heart, Loving Miss Bridget. So Adrian, please invite all our viewers dito sa Central at Eastern Visayas na abangan ito.
Loving Miss Bridget, starring Beauty Gonzalez, Kelvin Miranda, Bing Loizaga, Lloyd Martino, Polo Ravales, ako, Adrian Erandi, sino pa ba? Pamela Prinster, si Tart Carlos, at marami pa pong iba, directed by Adolf Alex. And please support it. It's really a good series. Hindi siya yung sobrang madrama, pero marami kayong mapupulot na aral at kilig.
Daghang salamat sa iyo.
Thank you. Daghang salamat din po sa inyo lahat.